In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF file into an editable Word document using Microsoft Word. This process is incredibly useful when you have a PDF file you need to modify, perhaps to update some content or adjust the formatting. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Now, you'll want to navigate to the File tab located in the upper left corner of the Word window. After clicking File, go ahead and select Open. Here, you'll have a list of options to choose from, such as browsing through recent documents or selecting directly from your files. What you want to do next is actually browse to the location of the PDF file you intend to convert. So, click Browse and navigate through your File Explorer until you find that PDF you wish to work on. Once you've selected the PDF file, Word will automatically display a message that reads something like, "Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original file." This basically means Word is preparing to transform your static PDF into a document that you can freely edit, and it's worth noting that while the text conversion will be accurate, some complex layouts or elements might shift slightly. When you're ready to proceed, simply click OK to continue with the conversion process. After a short moment, you'll see that the PDF has opened as a new Word document. Here you'll notice it's now in DocX format, meaning you can readily edit the text, change formatting, and even insert new images or media if needed. While Word does an impressive job at maintaining the original feel and structure, this is an excellent opportunity to personalize the document further, ensuring that any desired changes and updates are applied effectively. Once you've completed your edits and are satisfied with the changes, you have the option to save your document. If you'd like to maintain it as a Word document, simply go to File and then hit Save. However, if you need to export it back into a PDF format for sharing or specific file distribution reasons, head over to File again and choose Save As. From there, you'll find an option to select PDF from the drop-down menu of file formats. Give your newly edited document a name, choose where you'd like it saved, and click Save. And that's all there is to it. With just a few easy steps, you've successfully converted a PDF into a Word document, allowing you complete flexibility with your edits and enhancements. Whether for professional reports, assignments, or creative projects, this method ensures that you can swiftly and conveniently modify your documents as needed. Thanks for following along, and enjoy editing your documents with ease.